In this video, I will be showing you how to create door hanger in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking the Custom Size button on the home page. First, I'm changing the units from pixels to inches so I can set the exact dimensions I need for printing. For the width, I'm entering 3.5, and for the height, I'll type in 8.5. I'll click on the door hanger suggestion that pops up to open my new design workspace. Once the blank canvas loads, I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. I'm going to search for a door hanger to find a good base frame for my project. I'll scroll through the graphics and select this clean black outline. Now I'm dragging the corners to resize it so it fills up the entire canvas, making sure it's perfectly centered on the page. With the frame in place, I'll add a text box and type "Do Not Enter" in all caps. To give it more personality, I'm opening the font menu and selecting the Shrikant font. I'll make the text much larger to fill the space and then use the spacing tool to decrease the line spacing so the words sit closer together. I'll position this right in the middle of the hanger. Next, I'll go back to Elements and search for a stop sign. I'll pick this red hand icon, bring it onto the page, and scale it down to fit perfectly above my text. Now, I'm going to create the reverse side by clicking Add Page at the bottom. I'll add the same door hanger frame again and resize it just like I did for the first page. For this side, I'm adding a text box and typing the words "Do Not Disturb." I'll adjust the size and the line spacing to keep the look consistent with the front. I'll also add a smaller text box at the bottom and type the word "Studying" in all caps. To finish the design, I'll search for a book in the Elements library. I'll choose this cute illustrated bee, reading a book, and place it right in the center of the hanger. After a final look at both pages to ensure everything is aligned, I'll click on the Share button and select Download. I'm changing the file type to PDF print, which is the best option for high-quality printing, and then I'll hit the Download button to save my files. Now your custom door hanger is ready to print and use.